Well, I decided, since I'm about ready to put this back together and I have all the parts all cleaned up, I thought maybe I'd do a little video here showing the parts of this Stuart V10 steam engine. I was able to get it unseized, so now I guess I'll be putting it back together. So yeah, as I had the parts all cleaned up, I figured maybe I'd show people what it all consists of. So this is the bottom part. This is what goes on here. This is the rod. Actually, this is the rod that attaches to your valve. This is your valve slider, and that part there goes in here, and it slides the valve. Okay, so here's your piston. So here, I guess your cylinder. This is your piston. So this is your cylinder. The valve slides back and forth, which either opens this port to push down or slides over and opens that port to push up. So it either pushes down, pushes up. And when it goes in the center, that's how it vents the atmosphere. Your steam or your air, depends on whatever you're running. High pressure steam or high pressure air. So yeah, it's quite a simple setup here. So you have this is just your valve body or box, and it will sit on that. Actually, it sits this way because it has that little place where the rod can go up inside a little ways. So yeah, that's pretty well it. This is a cylinder. This is the top of the cylinder. This is the piston, the valve rod, the nut that goes on the valve rod. Okay, this is just the cover that goes on top of the valve. It's the valve cover, I guess. And that's pretty well it. There's not really a whole lot to these engines, but if you're building them, there's a lot because you have to mill all the parts. But where I'm just had to take it apart and clean up, put it back together, it won't be so bad. Anyhow, I just thought I'd make a real quick video here showing all the parts to the steam engine. And just like, I've never seen all the parts. Usually every video you see, it's already fully assembled, and unless you watch a builder make one, you don't really see these parts. So I just thought I would do a quick video showing the parts. Cheers.